What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game The Elder Scrolls IV Oblivion Remaster on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, and after that we need to search up the game The Elder Scrolls IV. Select it and then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game on Steam is quite expensive, €54.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. The next step is search for the same game, The Elder Scrolls IV. Select it, and after that you can select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done this, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green and you can select it. And as you can see, we can already download this game for just €39.99 compared to the price on Steam of €54.99. And this is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading games online. Now the next step is to purchase this game through this website. And after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!